Hi everyone, this is a super short video today. This is my day 22 quarantine distraction video of the quick little pet food bowls that I'm making. I'm just doing high speed through the majority of this just to be quick for you. So I'm centering up here and you can see that I'm using the square bat system. I showed that in a video a couple of weeks ago. I got that from Batman out of Canada. I'll put the links in the video description so you can see that. It's a great little system. So I'm making some small pet food bowls, quite honestly, for our hedgehog. We recently broke one of the bowls and my daughter said, "Mom, we need another bowl." So I'm making a few of them here. Now I'm doing a technique that I've shown in other videos called throwing off the hump, where I'm centering a larger piece of clay and I'm only actually throwing from the top portion of it. So then I centered the very, very top. When I dropped the middle, I only dropped it probably 3/4 of an inch down. Now I'm delineating where the bottom of the little pot is going to be. And then I will stop my wheel. And then I slowed this down so you can see. I'm going to take my knife and I'm cutting in with my knife about 80% of the way across the bottom of the pot. Then I take my knife out and go down a little bit lower, probably about 1/4 of an inch lower. And this time I go all the way across, so it's cut freely all the way across. Now that extra little piece of clay that is stuck on the bottom there, that is like a little clay bat. It helps to protect the base of the pot so it doesn't get mangled and distorted. And I will trim that off later. I'll take it off later. Now we'll go ahead and we'll do the next one. I'm actually throwing a total of 3 little pots of some different sizes here. So you can see it's very shallow, probably only 1/2 inch deep when I first dropped the middle. And then I'm going to once again cut about 80% of the way through. Take the knife out, go a little bit lower to make the full cut of the bat, basically the clay bat that's underneath it. And then I have a very small piece of clay left, but that's okay. I'm going to make a very short-walled dish. This one is actually going to be for her mealworms, so she doesn't need anything terribly tall for that. And then just cleaning up that bottom edge there and cutting that. Now, I will have let these set up and got closer to leather hard. And for tidying these up, I'm not doing a foot ring. I'm literally just taking a rib or some tool to knock off the edges. And I do put a little bevel on those. And this is B-Mix without grog, so I was able to use a sponge. Next one, now I need to take the bat off. So for that, I needed my knife. So I'm going to kind of peel that up and then just cut it right there in the middle. And then take a rib, again, and tidy that up. And I do, again, I put a little bit of a bevel on the bottom corner. That way when I am glazing, that bevel gives me a place to stop with the glaze. And then same for the last one. I peel it up and then just take off that little nubbin that's in the middle. A little clay bat is a really nice way to throw off the hump like that. It protects it. And then just tidying that up. And there we go. And now I have 3 little pots ready to dry and get fired. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep potting if you can.